Hello friends, today in this video right now I'm going to show you about the notification drawer and other notification types on OPPO mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Here at first you have to move on setting. After you have been move on setting, you just click on the search bar and search for the notification drawer. Okay, so here I'm going to search for the notification drawer. So it has not come yet, so again another. So here it has came. Okay, just click on it. After you have been click on it, the first option only, you are going to find the notification drawer and other notification types. When turned off, system notification will be displayed, and when turned on, it has not written, only. Okay, so let's off. See, it will be system notification will be still be display. Okay, and if you want on, you can on this like that. Okay, so here is the status bar. If you want to on, you can on. If you want to off, you can off. Here is the banners, and here is the lock screen notifications. If you want to allow, you can allow lock screen notification, wake screen, or do not wake screen. You have three choice from here. Okay, and last one is the notification batch. Okay, so you can select from here if you want to on or if you want to off. Okay, so friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video, and subscribe the channel. And thanks for watching.